Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it's been a long time. Probably almost 2 weeks I picked up my phone to vlog because I've been literally kind of feeling so down for some time. Coupled with the fact that this channel is not really growing, and it's been giving me like I've been feeling motivated to put out videos, vlogs here on this channel. But then what can I do? Like they used to say, consistency brings great results, right? So I just have to motivate myself to continue to be consistent here, putting videos here. Okay, so right now I want to go to the market, but in case you're clicking on this video for the very first time, like you just stumbled on my video and you do not know me, my name is Blessing Chamaka, aka Mama B of the streets of YouTube, guys. So this is the face behind the channel, and I'm a mom vlogger, a lifestyle content creator. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Because of the way have been feeling for some days, I said, okay, let me just keep on putting up short clips on my Instagram page. So I've been putting up videos, short vlogs on my Instagram because I feel like it's much more easier to edit, 1 minute video or one minute plus video you get. So in case you're not following me on Instagram, please kindly follow me. You get to see more content there on my Instagram page, which is Chiamaka's Lifestyle. The same name on YouTube, Instagram, and on TikTok as well. Okay. So guys, I want to go to Rush Ojota Market. I need to go and get some containers, some plastic that is in selling yogurt drink. So for those of you that do not know, I'm a baker, I'm a business person, okay? So I sell cakes and I sell yogurt and snacks and likes of it, okay? So please follow me on my Instagram page. The links, my business page, sorry. My business page link is on the description of this video, okay? So guys, follow me to the market. I'm going to carry you guys. I'm going to catch you later. Please like this video after watching, share it, and if you can, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, follow me to the market and let's shop together.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Guys, I'm at Ojota. Oh. I just got to Ojota now. These are too expensive. So I want to take like three of this one. I'm taking three of this one, guys. I'm buying three. And it's kind of expensive. Everything don't cost for this market.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
Hi people. So this is the second day I actually went to Ojota, and right now I'm doing my makeup. I want to actually film a sit down video because I feel like it's been a long time I did film a sit down video. So I'm actually making up right now so that I can film that content and then probably upload it on Sunday because guys, sit down content videos is actually way more easier. You get. So that's what I want to do right now. I'm kind of dressing up. You get. I actually did a light makeup because I know that after this that sit down video content, I'll just be I won't be doing anything. I didn't go to my office today again, so that's why I didn't really do too much of the makeup. But my face is actually really okay. And guys, honestly, right now I'm actually really pissed off because I'm almost ready, and then NEPA decided to just shoot themselves. They just took the light, and my room is kind of dark, but I'm actually filming right now in front of my window, so it's looking like it's bright right now. I don't know if you guys noticed it. And again, I'm using my front camera, you get, so I like to film with my back camera because of the quality, but this one is not looking that bad, you get. So I think I'm almost done. Let me just apply a little bit of lip gloss, just a little bit, guys. So I think I'm ready. So that content will be up on Sunday definitely, but this vlog, I don't know when this vlog will be up because yeah, I don't know. So guys,
Several days later.